everyone.
Hi.
Hello, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you had a good VE day. Did you have a nice time, Rebecca?
I had an amazing time.
What did you make?
I made some bunting.
Fantastic. Using?
Material.
And?
Oh, a sewing machine.
A sewing machine!
Yeah.
We think she might need to put some sewing machine tutorials on because I can't use the sewing machine and I'd quite like to learn. So I'm trying to persuade her. Anyway, we've decided that we need another cookery video, haven't we?
Yeah.
Mainly because we've been ordering some veg boxes and what have we got too many of, Rebecca?
Butternut squishes.
So should we show them? So we've got 1,
2.
3
And
4. And we might even have more in our fridge. We haven't even looked in there. These are the ones that didn't make it into the fridge.
They're very heavy.
So I'm thinking that we need to make something with these, basically so we can have some more room for some more food.
And so they don't go mouldy.
Yeah, we don't want them to go mouldy. We don't want to waste food. So I think the best thing to make to start off with, because that will use quite a lot of them, is butternut squash soup.
Oh yeah.
Are you up for making that?
Yeah.
Okay, so shall I help?
You better not, because you might burn it.
Oh, thanks. All right, well, I'm going to leave Rebecca to make some soup, teach you all how to make some soup, and instead I will have my cup of tea and watch her get busy in the kitchen. See you all at the end. Bye.
Don't forget to wash your hands. You will need 1.5 kilograms of butternut squash, roughly chopped into 3 centimetre cubed. 1 large onion, roughly chopped. 2 medium carrots, roughly chopped and peeled. 1 red pepper, chopped. 5 centimetre piece of fresh roots ginger, peeled and chopped. Great. 1.5 litres of vegetable stock. 4 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of clear honey. This is optional. Finally, salt and pepper. You will also need a roasting tin, something to cover your vegetables with oil, a pan, and a hand blender. First, preheat your oven to 200 degrees C. Now we're going to pour the butternut squash, carrots and onions, the pepper, half of the oil, some salt and pepper. Make sure everything is evenly coated in the oil. So give it a good stir. Roast in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes or until tender and brown. If you're going to use honey, drizzle it over the vegetables 5 minutes before they're ready. You can now put it back in the oven for 5 more minutes. But it will be hot, so remember to use oven gloves. Pour the leftover oil into the pan. When it's hot, fry the ginger on a medium heat. After 1 minute, pour in the stock and bring to the boil. When it starts boiling, add the vegetables. Add a bit more salt and pepper. And give them a good stir. Turn off the heat, and now it's time to blend. Make sure it's in the pan whilst you do it, because you don't want it to get everywhere, because your mum and dad might be cross. When it's ready, serve with some bread. It can also be frozen up to 3 months. And I made this bread.
Come on everyone, tuck in.